In this edition of Veterinary Secrets, you're going to learn about lumps in dogs and cats, when you need to see a veterinarian and when you don't. Lumps are a cause of concern for most pet owners, the primary one being cancer and what you should do about it. In this video, you'll learn about the common lumps and bumps, particularly how to tell if they are serious or not. Most lumps are easy to feel. They may show up in the chest or along the back. Most lumps in dogs are benign, while a small number of lumps that appear in dogs are cancerous. The most common ones in dogs are lipomas, benign fatty tumors, wart-like growths, often called papillomas, and sebaceous cysts. There's a cyst pictured here in this dog's paw. Here are the indicators of deciding whether or not a growth is serious or not. If it's firm, not movable, fast growing, and if it opens or bleeds. That's a much more serious sign, suggestive of something like cancer, and that definitely warrants a veterinary visit. More benign growths, such as lipomas, these benign fatty tumors, are typically soft, movable, very slow growing, and never rupture through the skin. I wanted to show you here how to examine your dog at home, with me examining one of my dogs, Jesse. So what I'm doing here is loosely palpating. You can just see him lying on his side. I'm just loosely palpating his skin over top of his chest wall. Right in the middle of his chest wall, I'm able to feel a small lump. Here it is right here. You can see where my finger is located. In moving it back and forth, my hands back and forth, I feel that the lump is movable. Gently touching it, putting pressure on it, I feel that it's very soft. And by examining him weekly, I'm able to say that it's very slow growing. It's been there for nearly 2 years. With all those criteria, I can say that 1, it's likely not serious. 2, based on the palpating of it being very soft and movable and located on the chest wall. 2, it's likely a lipoma. So that's a lump 1 that warrants very little concern and one that you can comfortably watch at home. The first thing you want to do is examine the mass and assess the severity of the lump. Lumps that are regularly shaped are less likely to be serious. Lumps that move easily under the skin are usually benign, such as the fatty tumors we discussed. Lumps that grow slowly are likely benign. Lumps that discharge a cheesy material are usually sebaceous cysts, and they can often be left alone. To the veterinarian, a simple thing to determine whether or not a mass is serious or not is visiting your veterinarian and have him or her perform a needle aspirate and cytology of the lump. A microscopic slide, an in-house test, can often tell if it's serious or not. Clean it. A ruptured cyst needs to be cleaned so it'll heal and not become infected. You can wash it daily with an antiseptic solution. I prefer something such as chlorhexidine. Trim the hair around the cyst to aid in cleaning. You can also use holistic antiseptic solutions such as concentrated black tea, wiping the area 3 times daily. This is pictured here as a wound being cleaned with honey. Compress it. Healing compresses are especially helpful for cysts and papillomas. A cyst that is enlarged but won't rupture can be decreased in size by applying a warm cloth directly to the area of the skin. Ensure that the cloth is not too hot to your skin, just hot enough, then let it cool in your dog's growth. Another option is to use a beanbag compress. Heat the beans in a microwave, test it on your own skin so it's comfortably hot, and then apply. Immune boost. Stimulating your dog's skin immune system with key nutrients. You can use vitamin E and essential fatty acids. The dose of vitamin E is 100 international units per 10 pounds of body weight daily. The essential fatty acid dose being 1,000 milligrams per 10 pounds daily. Herbal Help. There are 2 anti-inflammatory type herbs that I've found especially useful for ruptured cysts and papillomas. Aloe and calendula. You can purchase these in a cream form, or aloe from a plant can be applied directly to the affected area. Homeopathics. Some pet owners have found homeopathic remedies helpful for many growths. Thuya is the first homeopathic remedy that many homeopaths advise for any type of canine cancer. The dose being 30C once daily for at least 30 days. Causticum, it's another homeopathic, is used for warts that tend to bleed. The dose of that is 30C once or twice daily for at least 30 days. Dog lumps and bumps are usually benign growths, which can often be treated safely at home. In this video, you learned about how to tell if the growth is serious or not, and a few effective solutions to treating these at home. Thank you for watching this edition of Veterinary Secrets. What I want you to do right now is click that link in the box below, and I'll be sending you my free books and videos on how to heal your pets at home with my top natural remedies.